So we already know that Portmore is the place for amazing talent. Tonight, we feature not one, but two brand new voices. Up first, Interest.
Right now we have one of vibes with one of Portmore Gregory Park's most interesting, the one and only Interest. Give me 3 words to describe the sound of Interest.
Well, my sound is unique, different style, and roots dancer.
Yeah.
When I say roots, I mean like, enough of the artists nowadays lost the roots of dancehall because they want to sound like pop artists now. So me are one of the artists, one of the young artists, who come to bring back some things. It's like a reminder then. Anyway at all you hear my song them, you're going to know me. Because I have that sweet melody there. And the refined voice the way I go. Draw your ears.
Melody. Melody is one of the things that seem to be very important in dancehall right now. How did you get into being a melodic artist? Normally that's the thing we come from singing and them things. So you start out as a singer?
Yeah, well it all started from the roots as I say, you know. Going to church with my grandmother on Sunday. So you don't know, choir and all of them things they play a main role in all of that. So we go as I say the roots.
Ladies, if you don't know nothing with the man, don't take the man things, please. Cause jealousy is a thing. Now fight the thing. Some girl think them can't style the thing. Which poisoning? Must you want to look up in my lies the thing.
Now recently you got viral with a song, like you do a remake of the Dexter Dub song, Breaking News. You have your own Breaking News too.
Yeah, I'm on the refix, you know?
Yeah. Why you did decide to do one with a refix there?
Well, when the song drop, when Dexter Dub song drop, as I can see, man never really have a talk, every woman want poison man. Yeah. So I have to make them kind of break up and think, you know, before them do what they want. Before them poison me. You have to make them break up and think. So instead of me wait till the next artist drop it, I just thinking of myself and say, me I do music too. Why not try it? And it go viral.
Anybody ever tell us you're a Dexter favor?
Well, everywhere I go, people ask me from my family. You know?
That go on now, you get the viral song and then we are our next song we have right now as well too. We're the R.I.P. Brock Life.
Yeah man.
What a song. Why come up with a concept there?
You grow in a poverty. So the song bring a little change to me, make me kind of start playing music different, take my career more serious and we start make move and we see things that happen. So as you said, now looking back and straight to the top. Sky is the limit.
And it's an interesting name, you know what I mean? And I never really hear people approach the money song them from that perspective. So it's what it originally gave the initial idea with the concept there.
Well, nowadays every man has a kill man, you know. So I kill poverty and stress and broke life.
Give thanks if life.
It's a deep song still, you know, cause from the beginning of the song you can hear me say when I look back from my life and some things I've been through, enough time I could have passed and gone. Lucky things I was skillful. And last year for everybody nothing ever go on, but some still enjoy the tin food. But this year it changes.
That's a good man. I read the bio too and we see say you have a full-time job, you have a job as well too. You have a trade.
Yeah man.
You still do the fishing and everything there?
Yeah man, I don't know. As I say, family have to feed and food have to eat, you know, so you don't know. We have to keep yourself active because we're not lazy boy.
Back to the music now. What is it that you working on right now?
Well now we are working on a couple projects now. With the Caliber Music, also Shatters Record. Big up me engineer, one Mike Stunner and the whole family Classifier. So we are working on an EP now. We drop a song where they are single. So we are working on an EP now. We do some work with jammings also. So you can look forward to some good music.
With the Gregory Park now, to talk to me a little bit more about the Gregory Park community.
Gregory Park is a place where back in the days enough musicians, me grew up come second boy, and they never really get to make it to that. Some make it, some last out on the way. My father himself was a musician also. So my dream and my aim now is to uplift the community where every youth. Because enough youth, the boy were fatherless too. You see it? Yeah. Enough single parents see me, enough youth. And everybody can get up and find it. So we are one of them youth that we want to create places where youth can go, like a trading center, community center.
Yeah.
But to make a change for the youth them. So I not just pray for myself, I pray for the future and for my community and for the youth them.
You have a dream collaboration?
Yeah man.
Ooh.
Vibes Cartel man.
Yeah. Finest. Or even dancehall finest right now
man,
too.
so I don't know where Portmore come from, so we grow come see them man there.
Yeah.
I deal with it the right way, so I would dream for the music with the world boss man.
Yes, you know, I want you to tell me what most makes interest intense.
Personality, you see it. As I say, we are people person, we are ghetto youth, we don't make nothing bad with.
Yeah.
You see it. So it's like a shoulder for the community, see him.
See him, so. Interest. Check him out. Sure, you'll find him interesting. Ha.